Hey guys, I just uploaded a video, a review of these Azure gel polishes, and I will link that below if you are interested in checking out all the colors, but this is one of the colors that I used. I wanted to do a video or two, a couple videos about using a gel polish base for multiple nail art designs, if that makes any sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stamp over this base color. I'm going to put a top coat on it, and then I will do another video later where I take off the nail art from that one and reuse this base color for a different design. Okay, I think that's a better explanation of what I'm going to do here. And I'm going to be stamping using this Ejiubas EJB06 plate, and it is a double-sided plate. But I'm going to be using this lace image. I have always loved lace over a neutral base, and I don't think I have any videos having done this before, and I haven't done it as many times as I would like. And this is a beautiful nudie pink, and it's got a gorgeous shimmer in it. And I'm going to use, as I grab it, I'm trying to organize all my stamping polishes, and this is, it's getting interesting. I haven't used in a while. I'm going to use Penguino. This is Esmalta Kelly, which is a Brazilian nail polish creator, and isn't that a cute little bottle? And I'm going to use the Penguino, which is a black, for the design over it. I'm going to go ahead and put a napkin down, although I'm not going to need it. I'm going to be using an Amazon gift card scraper and a rectangular Born Pretty store clear stamper. I like using these when I want something really precise for placement, just because the barrel is shorter. I've mentioned this before in videos, and it's just easier to see where you're placing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you probably one or two different nails. I'm just going to go ahead and put, I like to fill about half the design. These Ejiubas plates are really deeply etched, so you want to make sure you have enough polish on there, otherwise it's not going to cover the design. I'm going to scrape. I'm going to pick up the design, and then I'm just going to place it right there on my nail. Oh no, you know what I did? Darn it, darn it, darn it. These Ejiubas plates, like I said, are really deeply etched, so I didn't give it enough time to dry a little bit more, and I smeared my design, but this is good. This is good to see. I know it's not good, but it's good to see. So what I'm gonna do, since I have a gel base and a gel top coat on, soak off, I'm gonna use some non-acetone polish remover, and I'm gonna get a wipe here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just use my non-acetone remover, and that's not gonna mess up my gel at all. Okay, see? Not a problem. I could probably use acetone as well, but this is just as easy. Just so long as you don't soak it in the acetone, you should be fine. Let me clean off my lint roller. See? Like it never happened. Let me clean off my lint roller. Let me clean off this with a lint roller. Where's my lint roller? Everything has fallen over on my desk right now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and clean it off. I have a little bit on the sidewall here. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Alright, so let's try that again. I'm so used to having to work quickly with other plates. That's the nice thing about these Ejiubas plates. So if you're new, and that noise you hear in the background, if you can hear it, is my acetone pump. It makes funny noises for me. If you're new to stamping and you found that you're having a hard time working fast enough to get the polish to stick to your finger, you might want to try an Ejiubas plate, because since it's so deeply etched, it picks up more of the polish, and it will stay wet a little bit longer so that you don't have to worry about stuff drying on you before you can get it on your nail. Okay. Whoop. Jeez. I don't like how that came out. I didn't have enough polish on there. That was not the plate, that was me. So let me take that off again. Let's try that one more time, because I want to make sure that I get that lacy design on the edge of my nail. And I really, since these are so deeply etched, I don't have to clean it off in between, but I'm so in the habit of doing that. All right, let's put a little more polish on here. Let's get some here too. All right, go ahead and scrape. I'm going to pick up the design. I'm going to give it to like the count of 10. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it on there, and I'm not going to press so hard this time. There we go. And there I have that design on my nail. Then I'm going to come in with a little bit of tape and just pull up the excess right there with tape, and it'll give me a little less cleanup. Make sure you don't hit what's already on your nail, or else that will come up too. Okay, so that part, that's on there right now. And then I'm going to come in and I'll do one more nail for you, and then I'll do the rest off camera. Okay, so my design is cleaned off, and I'm going to come in and do like I did last time and make sure that I get the edges there. I'm going to scrape it. And a little bit in the middle that didn't get picked up. I have a perfect pickup. I'm going to remove a little bit of that excess. And then I'm going to give it a couple seconds. And I'm going to do my placement. And there we go. Here is my finished design, all top coated. I opted to go for a coat of gel-like top coat, not one that I have to soak off. And I really like how it turned out. It changes the look of the base completely. Stay tuned to my channel, because maybe next video or the video after, I'll be removing this particular design, and then I'll be adding a new design on top of the base, so you can see how to reuse a gel base. So now would be a good time to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, so that you will get notified when that happens. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.